Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Okay. Today we'll have a case study based discussion related to wine preparation. So, as we all know, wine is one of the costliest product which is economically targeted in the market. So, let's discuss more about the issues that are faced during preparation of wine. Each of you can bring your own perspectives.
So, hello everyone. So today we are going to look about the case study on wine preparation. Wine is one of the oldest fermentation technique made using fruits like grapes and using yeast. So during fermentation, yeast converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Wine is, has important application in microbiology and other food industries. So in this case study, we will be understanding about the role of microorganisms and fermentation process and what are the major problems that affects the quality of the wine.
Okay, now I am going to explain about the aim and the materials required for the wine preparation. The main aim of the case study is to understand the wine preparation and the role of yeast in the alcohol fermentation. The main materials required are fruits and yeast, water, sugar and fermentation container. Among these, yeast play an important role in the conversion of sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. For proper selection of raw materials is suitable for the good quality of raw material is very important for finding the good quality of meat.
Now I am going to explain the procedure of wine preparation. First step is selection of fruits. Healthy and the right grapes are selected. The grapes are washed properly to remove dust and impurities. The grapes are crushed to extract the juice. Third step is addition of sugar and yeast. Sugar is added to remove alcohol and alcohol production. Then yeast is added to start fermentation. Fourth step is fermentation. The mixture is stored in airtight container for several days. During this process, yeast converts sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Filtration and aging. After filtration, the wine is filtered to remove solid particles. Finally, the wine is stored for aging to improve its taste, aroma and quality.
So now I explain about observation and result. So during fermentation, bubble formation was observed due to carbon dioxide release. Alcohol smell developed gradually. Color and flavor changed during aging. So result, wine was successfully prepared through yeast fermentations. So characteristics of good wine, pleasant aroma, balanced taste, clear appearance, proper alcohol content.
Yeah, talk about its applications in the food industry. Actually, it's used in the wine used as alcohol beverages throughout the world. Different types of wines such as red wine, white wines are produced commercially. The wine industry provides employment and opportunities and contributes to the economy. Actually, many students and researchers understand this concept of yeast metabolism, alcohol production, fermentation technology through this process. It is mainly used in the medicinal and health research. Some wines, especially red wine, contains antioxidants like polyphenols and resveratrol. In limited amounts, wine may help improve blood circulation and heart health. Its advantages include wine preparation converts fruits into high-value commercial products. Farmers and industries can gain more profit from fruit processing. Long shelf life. Fresh fruits spoils quickly, but wine can store for months or years under proper conditions. So the disadvantages may include the risk of contaminations. If it's not proper hygiene, it's not maintained, unwanted microorganisms can grow during fermentation. This can spoil the wine and produce a bad odor or taste. And it was so temperature sensitivity. If it's not controlled in a proper temperature, it may spoil quickly. And at very high or very low temperature, it may form the growth of some molds or some kind of bacteria also. So the long production time it takes. Good quality wine takes nearly years for the fermentation
Process that includes the yeast activity and controlled environmental conditions. So the wine preparation is done in an anaerobic condition because the involvement of oxygen leads to the spoilage of the wine. So this case study helped us to understand the fermentation technology and the applications in the food industries. So as Aditya said, wine preparation takes a long time. So to reduce that, yeast is added and we can know the role of microorganism like yeast in the process of wine preparation.
The process of alcohol production also we have learned through this, and the importance of maintaining proper temperature and the gases outside, or usually we ferment wine in an room temperature, so that is not required, and it must be done in a proper hygienic condition, and the preparation must be done very hygienically. So thus wine preparation is an excellent example of microbial fermentation. It is widely used in many food industries and beverage industries.
Okay, so as we discussed, preparation of wine, each stage, as it is very sensitive, we need to go with ensuring all the criteria are satisfied at each stage to ensure proper safety as well as hygiene throughout the entire production stages. And as we discussed, it's going to take a very long time till the fermentation or to reach that particular taste of what the wine can exactly feel like. And we also discussed about different application that it is used in worldwide. So this is how basically a wine is prepared, and these are the limitations or the as well as the advantages we have in case of wine preparation. Any other questions?
No.
Thank you.